Okay, so let's open a package from Island Child Vlogs. This is gonna be good. Wait. Okay, so it's right here. Literally. Drum roll, drum roll. Let's go. Okay, so first on the list, we just gonna pull them out. We just gonna pull them out. I'm just gonna pull them out. So these are my custom made content creating uniform, I'd say, right? So Island Child, she does the printing thing and she does merch and she creates all your cups for you and she creates nice, beautiful gifts. And I am her model. Okay?
I
Her
model for
Yeah,
Island Child.
There you have it. Cool. And Island Child did this for me. I sent it all the way from the US right into Victoria, British Columbia, on Vancouver Island. So awesome, right? So let's try this. I want this about Ooh, look at that. And it says, "Stay safe in the streets." You understand? I'm good at that. And so this one, and then in the box we have pullover, and the pullover says this. Oh, look at this. Oh my god! I'm gonna have this. These are so good. Jones, let's go. Oh my clothes. Keep on this chef, content, food, lifestyle, vlogs, course. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. So this, that's like different shade, but it worked. So good. And then inside, I didn't realize that the shades for like, so this one, this is pretty cool. I think I love this. This is really nice. Gray, and this should be. I guess they probably can still wear together. What do you think? Can they? I didn't realize this dark gray as opposed to this actual gray that I wanted. It also has this on it, and it says "Stay safe in these streets." Yes. So I only put the "Stay safe in these streets" on the caps. She wasn't able to put it on the shirts. Maybe in the future, if I'm doing some work, I'll "Stay safe in these streets" somewhere down here. But this is like pretty awesome logo, and I redesigned my logo. You know, like a rebranding, re-imaging kind of thing. You understand? This is all me. This is all me, baby. Oh my god. And the last but not least should be. Jones never said my extra cup. I said, "Oh, cup. Perfect. I always wanted. You know, I also want the green. I might end up with the green. Purple. Nice. Probably should let you do your logo on one of these ones, but it's okay. And this one, so it's actually like, well, it's that kind of different shape, but I think it's have white on it, and it's giving that. So yes, guys. So I got this custom made from Island Child Vlogs. The link is in the description. Yeah, and yeah, she and herself. So of course I'm going to be modeling these